Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the subject matter. In this video, we're exploring Regions Bank, found at regions.com. My aim is to give you a comprehensive overview of what Regions offers, from its online banking platform and mobile app to the various financial products and services they provide. I'll delve into the details of their checking and savings accounts, highlighting key features, benefits, and any potential drawbacks based on my own experience. We'll also take a look at their credit card options, exploring different reward programs, interest rates, and fees. Beyond everyday banking, I'll cover Regions' loan offerings, such as mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans, discussing the application process and eligibility requirements. For those interested in investing, I'll briefly touch on Regions' investment services, including wealth management and financial planning. No bank is perfect, so I'll also address any limitations or downsides I've encountered while using Regions, providing a balanced perspective. My goal is to equip you with the information you need to decide if Regions is the right bank for your financial needs. Throughout the video, I'll share practical tips and insights gleaned from my own experience with Regions, offering a user's perspective on navigating their services and maximizing your benefits. This review will cover everything from opening an account and using their mobile app to contacting customer support and managing your finances effectively. So, whether you're a current Regions customer or just considering them as your banking partner, this video is packed with valuable information to help you make an informed decision. Remember to check the description below for all the relevant links and resources. Thanks for watching.